In this video, I'll be showing you the best app to learn and make money with crypto. And it's not even about crypto alone. On this app, you can learn about stocks, futures, forex, and even commodities. And this is an app that almost every beginner should have. And after checking out this app, I'm very sure you will love it. So if you are someone with no knowledge of investing, trading, or even making money with passive income, then this video is for you. And the name of the app is Finelo. So in this video, I'll be talking about what Finelo is all about. I'll show you how to use the app, and I'll be giving you a review of the app. And by the way, this video is sponsored by Finelo, and they've also agreed to give something out to you guys. I'll be talking about that later in this video. But first, what exactly is Finelo all about? Now, Finelo is an educational platform with various tools to help you become better at investing, trading, and making money in different markets, including crypto, stocks, forex, futures, and commodities. Now, the platform has different features on the app that can help you, and the platform has over 1 million users, and every user on the app has a personalized plan. Now, what do I mean by this personalized plan? Now, when you want to start using this platform, they ask you some questions to understand the kind of trader you are and your level of understanding, and then they prepare a personalized plan for you to learn whatever thing you want to learn on the app. So it's basically what a beginner needs to get better at either investing or trading or even making money with passive income. So with that being said, let me take you through the Finelo platform and show you how to use the app and how you can use it to learn and even make money with crypto, forex, or other financial markets. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the home page of the Finelo platform. And if you scroll down, you can see the different aspects of finance that you can learn about. You can learn about investing, you can learn about trading, you can learn about world growth, and you can learn about personal finance. And if you scroll down right here, you see that you can take different courses on different aspects of finance, whether investing, trading, cryptocurrency, or passive income. And if you keep scrolling, you see that this platform is trusted by 1 million plus learners worldwide. And right here, you see the reviews from different users on the platform. And below right here, you can see the frequently asked questions on the platform. So this is everything you can see on the home page. Now, for you to get started on this platform, you come here to where you have get started at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. And then the first thing you'll be asked is, have you ever traded before? So if you have not traded before, just click on no right here. And then the next thing they'll be asking you is, what is your age? So you pick your age group right here. And once you've done that, the next thing is to answer 17 questions. Now, remember earlier I said on this platform, you get a personalized plan to learn anything you want to learn on the app. Now, once you answer the 17 questions, your answers will determine the personalized plan you'll be getting to be able to learn anything you want to learn on the platform. So I will go ahead and answer all of these 17 questions so as not to waste your time. So I've answered all the 17 questions, and you can see on the screen, it is currently creating my personal challenge or my personalized plan. So I'll just wait for that right now. So once that is done, you can see the next thing is to enter your email to get your personal trading challenge. So you come right to this page right here and put in your email address. Now, once you put in your email address, you come here to the bottom of the screen and click on continue. And then come right here and click on get my plan. And they take you to where you have this subscription that you have to pick. So you need to pick one subscription on the app. Now, this platform is a platform where you have to subscribe to be able to get the learning details or the learning resources. And right now, they are currently giving 50% discount to their new users. Now, some of you might want to ask me that, why are you paying for this kind of platform? Now, firstly, you need to understand that you are getting a personalized plan that will contain lessons and courses that are specific to your investing and trading needs. Also, you also need to understand that you are getting a chart analyzer too. There is an AI chart analyzer that will help you to analyze your chart, whether for stocks or for crypto, for futures, for forex, for anything. So it will help you to analyze any chart you give it to analyze for you. And moreover, if you pay for this 4-week plan, that is this most popular plan right here, and you just want to learn alone, you can learn most of the things you need in just 4 weeks or even in less than 4 weeks. And if you need a 1-week free trial, maybe you want to try the app or the platform for 1 week without paying anything, I'll be telling you how you can get that as we go on in this video. So like I was saying, you come here and pick a plan that you want, whichever one you are okay paying. Once you pick it, you come to the bottom side of the screen and click on get my plan. And then once you get your plan, you can start learning every day. So I'll log in with my own account details right now and show you how the plan looks like and everything you'll be getting once you get a paid account on this platform. Now, as you can see on the screen, I've logged into the dashboard where you can take your lessons and your courses. I can see right here, this is one of the courses I'm currently taking right here, which is investor part. Now, if I click on this arrow, this small arrow beside this investor part, I'm able to see the other courses you'll be taking on this platform. So you can see for the main part right here, you have investor part where you'll be learning everything about investing. If you scroll up, you see the trader part where you can learn everything about trading. And right here, you see the crypto part where you can learn everything about crypto. And we keep scrolling, you see passive income where you can learn everything about passive income. And we come here to where you have mini courses. These ones are just mini courses that you can learn one or two things about the topic. So you can see you have introduction to trading, you have which markets should you trade, you have understanding brokers and orders, you have reading price charts, you have trader psychology, and a lot. All of these things are things that are important to every beginner, whether you are investing or you are trading. So you can see that the platform has a lot of resources that can be helpful to you. Now, that's for the course page. Now, if you come to where you have this tools page right here, so if I click on tools right here, this is where you can see more features that you can use on this platform. So you can see right here, the first one is analyze your trades. Now, you can use the AI chart analyzer to analyze any chart you give it to analyze for you. And I'll be showing you an example right now. So for example, I've taken a screenshot from my TradingView account. So you can just take a screenshot of a chart from your TradingView account and upload it right here. So I'll just click on this AI chart analyzer right here, and then I'll come here and upload the chart. So I'll just click on right here, and then I'll just upload it. So this is the chart on the screen. So I'll just make it better. So let me just crop it and make it better. And then once I upload it right now, you see that the AI chart analyzer will analyze this chart for us. So once you've seen that, just click on choose at the bottom, and then click on analyze chart. So this is the Bitcoin USD chart that I uploaded right here. So let's see what it's going to give us. So you can see it's saying analyzing already. Now, as you can see on the screen, it has analyzed this chart already. You can see the trend. The trend is neutral right now. So right now, there is no upward movement or downward movement based on what I uploaded right here. I can see the volatility. The volatility is medium. And you can see the volume. The volume is also medium. And the market sentiment is neutral. And if you scroll down to where you have analysis, it says the chart indicates a neutral market trend with no clear signals for significant upward or downward movement. I can see it says observing further price action and volume changes will be essential in making a more informed decision. So right now, it is telling us that there is no clear indication of whether it's moving up or down significantly. It's just a neutral market trend right now. And in case you want to see more detailed information about the analysis, you can see it right here. You have tendency and graphic structure. You can check it right here. So I don't want to take too much of your time to tell you more about volume and volatility, RSI and market sentiment, support and resistance, consolidation and reversal point. You will learn all of these things about this chart I just uploaded right here. So it will show you detailed analysis of any chart you upload on the platform. So that's it. So that's for this AI chart analyzer right here. Now, the next one is this AI mentor right here, where you can analyze your financial plan. And then you have an investing challenge. You can join an investing challenge on this platform also. And if you come here to where you have this simulator, so this simulator right here is where you can be able to do like demo trading. Simulator also means demo trading. So for this one, you are not using real money. It's not your real money that is here. You can see it says demo right here. So for this one, they give you virtual money, money that is not real. They will give you to be able to practice whatever you are analyzing. So let's say, for example, you're analyzing, let's say, Bitcoin with the AI chart analyzer, and maybe you want to see whether it is correct. But come here, maybe let's say, for example, it's telling you that maybe Bitcoin is going up very soon. So you can come here and use your virtual money to invest in Bitcoin and leave it for some days and see whether it will truly go up. So you can use that to practice whatever thing you are doing right here. So you can see right here, I have some assets right here like Solana, Coca-Cola Company, Ethereum, and so on. And then if you come here to where you have this leaderboard, this is where you can be able to see the leaderboard of everyone doing the trading challenge right here on the platform. So you'll be able to see whichever position you are. So this is everything you'll be getting once you get a paid account on this platform. So you can see that you are learning a lot, and this platform is very, very good for beginners when it comes to investing, trading, passive income, crypto, forex, and so on. From learning about these finance topics, to be able to analyze your chart, to be able to analyze your financial plan, and even join a trading challenge, and even do demo trading on the app. All of these are good features that will be able to benefit any beginner that is using this platform. Now, out of all these features I've talked about on this platform, which of them is your favorite? I would love to know in the comment section below. So that's everything about the Finelo app. Now, if you're interested in the app, Finelo would love to give you a 1-week free trial to use the app without paying anything. And here's what you need to do. All you have to do is to state in the comment section the reason why you need the 1 week free trial. And then once you've done that, go ahead to Finelo's Instagram and send them a DM. Now, what you are sending to them on Instagram is simply my channel name, which is Femi Olaniyan, plus your email address. That's what you are sending to them on Instagram, just like this format you are seeing on the screen. So that is all you need to do. And then once you've done that, they will come here to my comment section to see your reason for the free trial. And if you are picked, you'll be getting the 1 week free trial on the platform. And please note that this is only for a limited period of time, so make sure you take advantage of this free trial bonus very fast. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.